Welcome to Getting Started with Easiteach for Windows version 1.5. This high-level overview is intended to give you a taste of tool functions in the program, not step-by-step instructions. For further details on how to use Easiteach tools, please view other episodes in our tutorial series. The key objectives for this 10-minute overview are listed on screen. So why, as a busy teacher, would you want to learn another software application like Easiteach? Previously, as a teacher, I would collect materials and organize learning units in boxes. Now that so many assets are digital, such as videos, web links, and photographs, you can make the most of multimedia tools that you already know and love by organizing them in Easiteach. This program becomes the digital file cabinet to arrange resources into manageable learning units. You can make lessons more engaging and interactive, less about just presenting the information, and more about getting students physically involved with content for deeper understanding, increased comprehension, and greater recall. The Easiteach platform is flexible and agile. Teachers can use it in many different ways. Some teachers choose to pre-plan lessons to contain content that they want students to engage with. Others simply use widgets, glass mode, and inking tools for on-the-fly instruction. It's all about making the tool work for you. Let's take a look at the opening screen of Easiteach. This is called the dashboard in version 1.5. You can use the dashboard to open a recent or already existing ETNG file, which is stored on your computer. The Browse button allows you to open supported files, such as PowerPoint, interactive whiteboard lessons, notebook files, and Easiteach Next Generation files. Open a new document to practice with tools or start designing a lesson from scratch. There are 20 video tutorials to guide you as you learn how to use the program. Use the Download Center to search for templates, interactive games, and lessons. The Download Center links to the www.easylearn.com website. You can have multiple ETNG files open simultaneously. They'll be tiled in your program bar. Let's quickly review some of the common functions in the Easiteach toolbar. Did you notice how I'm navigating to the next page or my previous page in my EasyBook with the next page and previous page arrows? The common toolbar remains visible regardless of which tool in Easiteach you are using. You can customize the toolbar in the My Easiteach settings to contain your most frequently accessed tools. It's important to note that there is tool persistence in Easiteach, meaning when you select a tool, your cursor will remain that last chosen tool until you choose a new one. You must be in select mode in order to make editing changes to an object. By the same token, you must be in play mode to activate actions and special effects. For this reason, play mode is popular to use when students are interacting with content. When you're in select mode and you click on an object, you'll see bounding boxes or handles appear around the object. When you're in play mode and you click on an object, those bounding boxes are hidden. My Common Functions toolbar is customized to include the on-screen keyboard, green pen, highlighter shortcut, create a text box, handwriting recognition, zoom in and zoom out, color picker, and page forward and page back. What is the E menu? The E menu functions much like a file menu does in other programs. This is where you can open a new document, open a previously saved document, save the document you're working in, save it as a new title, insert an already existing Easiteach Next Generation file, print your file, switch to different viewing modes, return to the dashboard, make customizations to the program in My Easiteach, access pre-built activities, open the User Guide Help tool, or exit the program. In the User Guide or Help tool, there is a section for each of the Easiteach tools. Within the E menu, you'll find the View options. View modes within Easiteach provide the ability to change the way your EasyBook is displayed. For example, you can use a curtain reveal, you can switch to glass mode, or you can utilize a split screen view. When working with the Easiteach drawing tools, you might want to move your Eno icon strip to the side so that you don't confuse Easiteach drawing tools with Eno digital ink. When clicking on the drawing tools, a secondary menu of options appears. Here you can access pen items, highlighter tools, line drawing options, and shape tools. Learn more about the specifics of the drawing tools by consulting the user's guide or watching the supplemental video on drawing tools. Displayed are some examples of drawing objects, lines, and layers that you can use to create lessons and interactions for students. Easiteach text tools allow you to put text into your EasyBook in 3 ways. Activating the secondary toolbar will allow you to insert text through handwriting recognition, in a text box, or as a simple line of text. Using Easiteach text tools in coordination with drawing tools will cue students into content with visuals, allow them to read aloud, and have highlighted text capabilities. You can learn more about the text tools by watching the supplemental video or consulting the user's guide. Here's a simple lesson example that uses text tools. I've brought in a poem using the Creating a Text box, and now I've activated digital ink so students can write over the top of the content. Switching to a highlighting tool, they can make note of key passages. Read aloud capability.
Sneeze. Wrenched. Whisper.
Open the word wallet and allow students to drag words into the correct location using context cues. The accelerator menu can be accessed when you click on an object while in select mode. For example, a text feature, inserted clip art, or a drawn figure. Notice the black circle with chevron. That's your accelerator menu. Accelerator functions let you change how your items look or behave. For example, you can utilize the lock and clone option to create duplicates of an item. When you switch to play mode, students can click and drag to create exact copies of a visual. Or use the accelerator menu to create a web link in the Actions heading, and when in play mode, when students click on the object, it will take them to a targeted website. Learn more about the accelerator menu by watching supplemental videos or consulting the user's guide. A widget is a curriculum-based tool that teachers and students may use for lessons and activities in various content areas. Widgets function like a learning app within Easiteach. Some widgets are designed for elementary students, while others are more appropriate for middle and high school students. You decide which tools work best for your students' needs. Here, I've inserted a writing challenge widget. Or you might consider using the number line widget to create interactive number lines. There are nearly 50 interactive widgets in Easiteach Next Generation version 1.2, so spend some time exploring. A couple of my other favorite widgets are the browser and online video player. These make it easy to build online content into organized, easily accessible lessons. Learn more about the widget functionality by watching the supplemental video or consulting the user's guide. The Multimedia Resource Bank enables you to search for and add a wide variety of multimedia assets to your page. Import assets from your computer using the Multimedia Resource Bank, or select files for single use in an EasyBook lesson. Displayed are the type of files that are supported for import into the Multimedia Resource Bank. Use the Screen Recorder tool to capture your on-screen actions, audio, or visual, and save these so students can replay instruction or content. This is a great first step for creating flipped lessons. Capture Media allows you to switch which devices on your computer are recording sound, video, and scanned images. Learn more about the Multimedia Resource Bank by watching the supplemental video or consulting the user's guide. If this session whet your appetite to learn more about specific Easiteach tools, visit these 3 additional resource sites to access additional videos and tools to extend your learning. Thank you for watching this video on getting started with Easiteach Next Generation version 1.5.